So about a year ago, I put up this new window well cover, and I had a number of questions on it, particular how long it would last. And so I decided today that I would do a follow-up video, and I'm about 1 year out having installed this. So what I'm doing here is I'm looking for areas that might be damaged, cracked, and I'm seeing that I've hit here. I don't know if I hit that with a mower or I hit it with a leaf blower. I'm not sure. I mean the string trimmer, but I've got stuff growing inside. So today I'm gonna remove the cover and then remove these weeds, and I suppose I can try to super glue that little piece there. The piece is still there, and then we'll just see what happens. But this is typical when you get these. They're not made for heavy abuse. So, all right, let me get my tools out. I'm trying to apply super glue to the broken edges, and then I'll just fit that little piece right back in. And I know it probably won't stick, but if I get enough on there, maybe it'll stick to itself. I don't know, but it's worth a shot, I guess. So here we go. Now here I'm applying more over the crack where the two go together. Again, my theory is maybe it'll just create like a sandwich that plastic in there. Maybe it won't technically be glued, it'll just be held in with the dried glue. But we'll see. Okay, I got it on there. We'll give it a few minutes to dry. I'm really unsure if it's even going to stick. This stuff doesn't work on some plastics, and I'm really not sure what kind of plastic this is, so it doesn't appear to be drying too well here. But I'll give it a few minutes and we'll see what happens. Worst comes to worst, I can put clear tape on it, but it's only going to get more damaged over the years, and that happens, All right. I've given it about 10 minutes. It doesn't look promising, but we're going to put it back anyway. Okay, she's back. It's still wet, and so much for super glue, but it says it bonds your fingers instantly, but it won't do anything to that plastic. So I'm just going to let it sit there. Eventually this stuff has got to dry. But I guess the good thing is the way the hole is from here down. If water comes down and gets in there, it doesn't go into the window well. It stays outside. Maybe in the spring I'll put a second row of bricks along here just to keep the weeds away. I don't know. And it seems it's taken up more of my time than what it's really worth. So I'm really not sure what to do with it. But in any event, there it is. 1 year. It hasn't yellowed. Got dirty, but it hasn't yellowed. So. All right, on to something else. Well, it's a nice fall day. It's mid-October. The leaves are starting to turn. We had a big storm yesterday. I cleaned up the mess, and mostly pine needles, half of the leaves. This is the garden area. It's pretty much all buttoned up for winter. I still have to mow and trim, and grape arbor there. I'm going to add some more poles to that this year. And then this area here in the foreground needs to be worked on. That's the woodshed. It's the one I'm emptying now. I got about half of that in. And that's about it today. Thanks for watching.